Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot connect your Red Magic Astra to your Bluetooth device. So first of all, make sure that your Bluetooth device is active and make sure that it's charged enough to be connected to your tablet. Go to settings on your tablet, open the Bluetooth settings, try toggling Bluetooth off and then on again, and then try to reconnect with your Bluetooth device. Now, if you still having issues, then try to unpair your Bluetooth device by tapping this gear icon, then select forget. And then to repair your Bluetooth device, you're gonna have to make sure that it is in the pairing mode. Usually you will spot some kind of a button on your device that will put it into pairing mode after you hold it down for a couple of seconds, and the LED indicator on your Bluetooth device will start blinking rapidly. After that, you're gonna see your device in the devices list. Tap on it and let your device pair with it. And if you're still experiencing connectivity issues, then let's try to restart the tablet by holding down the power button on it and selecting restart, confirm. Also, if you can, restart your Bluetooth device. After the restart, go to settings and check the Bluetooth connection once again, and if you're still having troubles, make sure that the software of your tablet is updated. To check that, in the settings, select system and update on the sidebar, then go to system update and make sure that your software is up to date right here. And if you're still having issues and there are no updates for your device, then what we're gonna have to do is go back to system and update menu and select reset options and then select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. However, after that you're gonna have to re-enter the password to your Wi-Fi network as well. After you confirm this action, return back to the Bluetooth menu, re-enable your Bluetooth, and then, just like we did before, try repairing with your Bluetooth device. And that's it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.